Hey everybody, another episode of Out for the Trash. We found these two wrought iron chairs, patio chairs out for the trash, and the problem with them is the backs are both broken. So we're gonna take and fix them up. G Jr. has a 90-degree die grinder with we call them cookies, and he is cleaning the paint off of them so we can get ready to weld them back together and see if anybody wants them. But yeah, they're actually pretty nice wide bottom chairs. So after he gets done cleaning them up, we'll get them back and weld them up. Alrighty, we've moved to the back room, where the welder is, and I went ahead and put a pair of vice grips holding this one tight, and I have my ground strap for my welder. I have this one lined up. He's got it nice and clean. So what G Jr. is going to do, see, he's wearing his protective gloves, his protective jacket, and we're going to use the new, look this way, we're going to use the new flip down fixed lens. This thing works really good. So what he's going to do now is he's going to grab up here and then come in here and actually come inside here. Rest your wrist there. Yeah, there you go. And now you can just go right across. All right, let me back up. All right, go ahead and give it a try. Did you miss?
Yeah.
Or did it not arc?
Didn't arc.
All right, hold on, let me move this grounding clamp up a little bit. All right, hold on, let me get the cutters. We got the cutters hanging right here. Oh man, how did they fall down? How did that happen? All right. We'll cut this down a little bit for you so it's a little bit easier. There we go. So like I said, what I like to do when I do it is put your hand up here, and then here, can you, hold it like that. All right, you can go ahead and put the wire on it. All right, you're on it right now. Here, come over to the left a little bit. All right, now go ahead and hold this. All right, there you go.
I think I got it.
All right, let me take a look. It looks a little bird-do-ish, but it's holdable. We'll grind it down. So what I want you to do here, let me get a wire brush. Where's the wire brush? Here's a wire brush. Here, slide out of the way a little bit. So now what I want you to do is I want you to come back, and I want you to put a little bit more weld right here in the center.
Okay.
All right? So like I said, just put that thing right, there you go. Go ahead. All right, let's take a look. That looks pretty good. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna move this one over to there, and then he'll weld up this side, and then we'll get the other chair in, and we'll pressure wash these chairs and paint them up, and then we'll see if anybody wants them. Like I said, these are very nice wide bottom chairs. I don't know if there's gonna be another video after this, but we will see. All right, we're back. So anyway, G Jr. had a great idea to go ahead and weld the back of this one, and we got him all set up, and I showed him where to put his hands, everything, and that weld looks much better than the front weld. So he did a very good job. This is his first time really trying to weld. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and bring this around, and we'll get him to start welding on this one. So I don't think there's any chance of me showing you how it's welded. I don't have a screen for the camera. But either we'll come back when we're all done, and maybe we'll come back after we paint the chairs. If somebody wants them, we'll find out. Alrighty, so we brought the chairs home, and G Jr. here is using a 40 grit flat disc that's gonna clean up the weld. Yeah, there you go. Go, here. I would go like this. Just stand out of the way, and then just use the flat disc like that. All right, so we're gonna grind down the weld, and I don't know if we're gonna get the pressure washer out. We're supposed to have some bad thunderstorms tonight, but we're gonna grind the welds down and maybe put a little bit of paint on them just to protect them, to keep them from flash rusting, and we're done. So there's a really quick one, out for the trash. 2 chairs, just need a little welding, so we welded them up, and we're gonna use them. So All right, everybody. Thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe. You can always do that in that corner. Please give me a thumbs up if you like my out for the trash videos.